All right, sorry about that. So the battery died as I was working on this side, but now that it's drying up, you can see the difference. I still need to rinse the windows over here because I had to go for it twice. But this is good to go. Window's still dirty. This thing was leaking inside. It's a lot cleaner now. It's drying up. Looking good. This thing was super dirty. Still kind of wet, but it's looking way better now. That's still wet. So now I need to do this side. You can see the difference. Look at that versus this. And I'm running out of sunlight, so I need to hurry up, get it done. At least the front of the building and the side of the building. I don't think I'll be able to do the whole back of it. The side is dirty, but I'm waiting for these guys to leave, so I don't want to spray their thing with chemicals. And then this side, super dirty from years and years of exposure. We'll get it done.